Brie and Chris, here's the latest making news in the CNMI with containing COVID-19. The Commonwealth Healthcare Corporation announced on Saturday one more person is confirmed positive for COVID-19 on Saipan. They write that the CNMI resident was identified upon arrival. The CNMI's current case count is now 48 since March. The governor's office says of the total 48 confirmed cases, 24 of them, 50%, have been identified through port of entry screening. And in other news, the CNMI Department of Labor write in a press release that CNMI only transitional worker or CW1 are not eligible for PUA and FPUC under the federally funded programs of the CARES Act as stated by the U.S. Department of Labor. The governor's office writes, quote, CW1 workers who may have mistakenly or purposefully identified themselves as qualified aliens or U.S. eligible are now on the fraud list for investigation and are being or will be asked to pay back the amount received or be sanctioned following the identified CNMI protocols, end quote. Meanwhile, NMI delegate Kilili announced over the weekend that Mariana's workers laid off from their jobs because of the coronavirus have received about $50 million in unemployment aid so far, according to information from the congressional office received from the U.S. Department of Labor. Bring Chris, that's the latest making news with containing COVID in the CNMI.
Thanks a lot. And now we check in with Landon Ilett from the National Weather Service, who joins us in our Zoom room with your weekday weather forecast. Good morning, Landon.